set, go. All right, welcome back from lunch. Did you guys have a good lunch? Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. How was your lunch? Okay. All right, we're going to start with growth mindset. So you guys can do whatever hand motions you want to do for this part. Repeat after me. I continue to work hard.
I continue to work hard.
I am learning.
I am learning.
I love to learn new things.
I love to learn new things.
I'm getting better every day.
I'm getting better every day.
I face challenges.
I face challenges.
I don't give up.
I don't give up.
Awesome. Good job. That's great teamwork there. Okay, so today when we're working in math, we are going to work on a new skill. So you guys know that at our school we do heroes. We're helpful, encouraging, we're responsible, and outstanding. So today when you guys are working with your partners, when you're working with your partners, you guys are going to focus on helping others in a way that helps them learn. Whisper to the person next to you, what are we working on today? Right, and we're going to talk about that later. Thank you. And I need it quiet in 3, 2, 1. We can do the next slide. So this is what we've been learning. We have been learning that equals means the same as. Can you guys repeat after me? Equals means the same as. Who would like to read our next vocabulary word? Landon. Okay, is this an equation?
Yes.
Thumbs up, thumbs down if you think it is or it's not. Harper, how do you know that this is an equation? It has an equal sign. Does it have numbers?
Yes.
It does. All right, thank you. Next slide. Okay, and we are going to look over here quickly. You guys remember that we have been using addition and subtraction to solve word problems. So if you guys look over here at our anchor chart, you guys have been using these skills. You have been using a number line to count up and count back. You've been using fact families. You've been using number bonds, which I love. And you guys yesterday used a bar chart. So I need all our hands still. Let's get our minds ready to learn. Let's look at our learning target. Today, we're learning something is missing. So you guys are going to be detectives. Do you guys like being detectives? I love a good mystery. Okay, so we're solving take-apart word problems. So here's our learning target. So let's see. Eyes are watching. Ears are listening. Body check. Bodies are still. Find ways to use words and pictures to solve for missing addends in take-apart word problems. Turn to your partner, and I want B's to read that back first. See if B's can read that. A's, you can help. And go find your partner. Okay, and stop. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. All right, math detectives, what vocabulary word that we've had in the past do you see in our learning target? Maya, what word do we have here?
The
Addends. Ooh, that's a word we've used before. Take apart, is that new? Take apart means we're going to look at 2 parts to a word problem. All right, let's go to the next slide. So we're looking here. This is same and different. So you guys are going to look at A, B, C, and D and think to yourself, I'm going to give you 1 minute. What do you notice is the same and what do you notice is different? Take a second to think. I'm going to start calling on people. I think I might want to do some random dojos in a moment. Max. They're all fact families. If you agree, what we can do, agree or disagree. Do you agree with Max or disagree? Oh, I see a lot of agrees. Good job, Max. Max, I'm going to give you a participation point. You were listening. You noticed. Good job, Max. Okay. Next one. There's a dojo point for tomorrow. What else is different, Alessandro? They all have 14. Good job, Alessandro. All right, I'm going to do a random dojo. Let's see. Who will I be calling on? Emilio, do you notice anything else that's different or the same?
12 minus
12. So one says, do you see a 12 up there?
4? No.
Do you see a 12?
I made up 14 minus 2.
14 minus 2, is that the same or different as something else? Different from what? Can you tell us? Look up here, and you can ask a friend for help if you need help. Nolan. They all have 14 and 2. Good job. Maddie, what else is something?
They all have question marks.
They all, oh, what do you think the question mark means?
They don't know what goes there.
Good job. They don't know. So do you think could this be a fact family? Landon. Could they be a fact family? They could. They could. Awesome. Thank you guys for raising your hands. We're going to move on to our next question. Oh, Molly, we're going to keep moving on. Thank you. All right. So you guys probably have had spicy food in the past. Raise your hand. If you love spicy food, can you give me, this sign? If you don't like spicy food, can you give me a sad face? Like, ooh. Mrs. Thompson's kind of like I'm in the middle. So we're going to read a story problem. Shh, I'll wait. I'm going to wait. We're going to read Landon. 3, 2, 1. We're going to read a story problem about tomatillos. Look up here in the corner. This is tomatillos. Now, tomatillos, thank you. Some of you might love Asian food, and some Asian food has this spicy chili. Raise your hand if you've had hot food that has this spicy chili in it. I have. Thank you. All right, so thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you like spicy or you don't like spicy? Ooh, lots of spicy in the middle. And kind of the next, actually, we're going to go to our question in the book. Okay, friends. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you. We're going to read our question. I think this. Look up here, not there. You can share. Not everybody has. Okay, let's do a body check. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices are off. Go around and you can talk to Miss Lofstead, okay? It says Marta and her mom used 15 tomatillos to make salsa verde. Marta peels 7 tomatillos. Her mom peels the rest. How many tomatillos did her mom peel? All right, what is this question about? Max, you're sitting quietly. What is the question about? Tomatillos. Okay, if you are sitting, you are quiet, Nolan. You are quiet on the rug. Okay, markers should be down. Nobody's using their markers. Tomatillos. All right, I need another student to read the question. Camille. Here, you want to read like this? Real loud.
Martin and her mom used 15 tomatillos to make salsa verde. Marta peels 7 tomatoes. Her mom peels the rest. How many does her mom peel?
Okay, what information is important for us to know, Jameson? 15 and 7. Okay, So can someone explain what is happening in this problem? Josiah, real loud. You're going to say they're taking away? Okay. So what information do we not know in this question? Maya.
We don't know how many her mom peeled.
That's good. We don't know how many her mom peeled. Let's read it one more time together, and then you guys are going to solve it on the rug. And go. Marta and her mom use 15 tomatillos to make salsa verde. Marta peels 7 tomatillos. Her mom peels the rest. How many tomatillos does her mom peel? Quietly work on the rug and solve for what you know and don't know. Shh. Silently. Silently. I'm going to give random dojos to those who are working hard. All right, let's do a random. I see students working. Who is working? Jameson, is he working? He is. Good job, you're participating. Yep, I'm getting you a marker. Okay, I'm looking at, ooh, I love the work you guys are doing. I'm gonna give you about 1 more minute. Ooh, I love the thinking. Get something on your board if you haven't started yet. Okay, that's okay, I'm sorry. No, I'm gonna pick some students to share. Alright. Love what I'm seeing here. Okay, and on the count of 5, I'm going to have you guys all show me your boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me your boards. Ooh, I love this. Let me look around. I'm going to start calling names here in a second. I would like to call Ella. I would like to call Logan, come to the front. And I would like to call Max. And everyone else, and I'm going to call Victoria up. You are all listening respectfully. Shh. Do you guys remember our expectation was that when we share, if you don't get called, you're going to listen to your friends. So listening, boys and girls, listening means that you want to hear the answer that your friend gave. All right, so we have Ella and Max. Let me use a random dojo to, let me call on someone real quick. I'm gonna call on Natea. I'm gonna have you explain these answers to me. Look, everyone take a second and look at these boards. Natea, can you look at their boards and explain their answer?
They drew a number line and they added 8 and then they drew 2 more to equal 15 and then they minus 2 to 5 and then that equals 15 minus 7 equals 8.
Good job.
Is that Landon's board?
Nope, that's not Landon's board.
Whose
That
board
is
was that?
Ella's board.
Ella, did she correctly explain what you did? No, why not? She said 8 plus 2 equals 10. Is that what your strategy was?
No.
Explain your strategy.
My strategy was 15 minus 5 equals 10. and then 10 minus 2 equals 8.
So you did not do counting on, you did what?
A number line.
Counting.
Counting back. Thank you. And I would like Victoria, can you explain Max's answer? Oh, whose is this? Look, can you explain Logan's?
So he did a 10, friend. He did 15, and then he crossed out 7 equals 8.
Okay, let's see if he crossed out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does that leave 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Excellent. All right, we're going to do 2 more, and we're going to compare what is the same and what is different. Think, friends. Do you see what is the same? We have dots together that are being added, and we have the dots are arranged in a line. Thank you. You guys can sit down. Thank you. Who would like to tell me same and different? Landon, can you come up here? Nope. What's the same and what's different?
They both use counters, and one did subtraction and one did pluses.
Oh, excellent. So they have related facts, one added and one subtracted. All right, boys and girls, we are going to go to our desks. So you're going to put the lid, erase your board, and put the lid on your marker, and I want to see crisscross applesauce. Okay, I'm going to call even or odd first. Make sure all the boards are erased. We're all done. Sit down. You can go get it. Okay, go talk to Miss Lovestead. I need it quiet by the time I count to 5 in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I would like evens to stand up. Evens stand up quietly. Put your boards down, leave them there. And walk to your desk quietly. We want a quiet transition. Leave your boards on the floor, Nolan. All right, odds, you guys are watching. Are they being quiet? Are they quiet while they transition? And I would like odds to stand up quietly. Stand and stop. Stand and stop. And evens, you guys are going to see if they transition quietly. Ready, go. Ooh, that's pretty quiet. That's pretty quiet. And you guys are going to keep your linking cubes together, whatever is on your desk. We're not touching yet. Everyone can get out their math book and turn to page 59. Page 59. Or 58. We're going to 58 and we're going to look at picture it. I'm going to see if you guys can do it quickly. Get out your math book. Get out your math book. That's right. Don't get one. That's right. 58. Let's see. I see most friends are there at 58. Fiona, catch up. Lyra, catch up. Get out your math book. Page 58. My friends are catching up. Good job. All right, I'm going to see who is ready. I'm doing a random dojo. Logan, is Logan getting his math book out? His math book is out. Good job, Logan. You just got a participating point. Great work. Okay. Okay, so we are looking at page 58, and I would like everyone to get out a highlighter. We're going to look at our words, and I need everyone quiet in 5, 4, 3, 2, one. Good job. Okay. The first thing we're going to highlight is the top sentence. It says, explore different ways to understand solving take apart word problems. Highlight that for me. That's our learning target today. We're going to try to find ways to use words and pictures to solve our math. So let's look here. Okay, on picture it. How do you know how many tomatillos Marta peeled? Maya. She peeled 7. How did you know that by looking at the picture?
Oh, you're looking at the descriptor on the diagram. Good job. And so these capital M's, do you think that stands for Marta? Because we know that. What do you guys think? Answer this here. What do you think this stands for? The question mark, Josiah.
Mom.
It stands for mom, right? Do we know how many mom peeled?
Yes.
You think it's 8? How do you know that it's 8?
Because
Oh, you did doubles plus 1. You knew 7 plus 7 was 14 plus 1. Can you tell? That's one way. I love that. Can you tell by looking at the picture how many mom peeled? Look at the picture. Can you tell by looking at the picture how many mom peeled? Who has an idea? If I use this diagram, how do I find out how many mom peeled? Can I ask Sawyer? Let me try Maddie real quick. Maddie, do you know?
8.
How do you know?
8. Because I did the number line, and so I subtracted 5, and then I took away 2, and then I got the 8.
Ooh, I love you did a number line in your head. If we're looking here, boys and girls, do you think I can say that this would be what mom peeled? Let's count together, okay? So we have 1, 2, oh, I need everyone counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can line up the tomatillos and we can put letters where it's Marta, and then we can count the numbers we don't know. Nolan. 16, you're close. 7 plus 8, we know the number already from our number sentence. We already know there's 15, thank you. And who remembers, what do we call this? What's this called, Maya? Who can help her? Call on someone. Maddie, what do we call this? Harper.
Bar chart.
Awesome, good job. I'm gonna give her a bar model. Thank you. I'm gonna give you a dojo. Can you guys highlight your bar model? So we use words and we use pictures to find out the missing number. Highlight that, and then we're gonna move to the next page. Harper, good job. I love that you remembered the bar model. Where's Harper's name? Right here. Excellent work. That means you were listening. All right, friends, I'm going to show you another way. You guys have some of these at your desk. We're going to talk about them. We're going to use this in a second. Go to number 1. I'm going to give you guys a minute. What number is the total? What part do you know? Look here. What part do we know? And complete the model at the right. Complete the model at the right. I'm going to give you guys 1 minute. Get started. Number 1. You guys used this yesterday a little bit. Yes, go ahead. Get started. This one on the right. Your book should be open, friends. Let's do this. We're doing this right here. Number 1. Alessandro. Number 1. Good job, Maya. Number 1, did you? Nope, you're not coloring. We're doing number 1. Number 1. Nope, you're not coloring. You're doing number 1.
Where did we write our answer for number 1?
We write our answer on the right here. So who can tell me how many tomatillos were there all together? Who remembers from our story? Josiah. 15. So we're going to put 15 at the top. Victoria, what number did we know from our story about who peeled how many tomatillos? What number do we know? 7, right? And that was Marta. So let's put 7 with an M. And we didn't know how many Mom peeled. So that is our model right there. Number 2, it says, use the model to complete 2 equations. Can you guys complete these equations right here and right here? I'm going to give you 1 minute. I'm going to walk around. Number 2. Who can tell me which number we're on? Maya, what number are we on?
We're on number 2.
Are you working by yourself right now or with a partner?
By yourself.
By yourself. Good job. Oh, good job. Good job, friend. That's really good that you wrote that down. We're doing here. Can you put these numbers over here? I didn't give directions for that yet. You filled it out. Fill out this now. We're on number 2. Number 2. Who thinks they have an answer for number 2? Harper, would you like to come up and write the answer? All right, number 2, it says a number plus a question mark equals 15. What did you write? Oh, you did the minus first. Can you read that to the class? Oh, right here. So we know 7 plus something equals 15, right? And we can do, what is this right here?
15 minus 7 equals question mark.
Good, 15 minus 7. Let's repeat what she said. Nolan, look up at the screen. We're going to read this together. We're reading this equation. 1, 2, 3.
15 minus 7 equals question mark.
Good job. Okay, so do you guys see maybe that could be a fact family? Could this be a fact family? How do you know? How do you know? Maya? Does it have the same numbers? It has the same numbers in it. Good job. All right, I'm going to show you guys. I know you guys have some graph paper at your desk. I'm going to show you how to use your graph paper. We're going to use this later, but watch carefully. Nobody's going to color in the graph paper, but we have 3 colors here we're going to use. I already colored 15 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That represents the tomatillos, right? So what number should I color for what Marta peeled? What number should I color? Harper or Tatum? What number should I color? Okay, I have orange. How many should I color?
8.
Oh, you think 8? But for Marta, how many did Marta peel?
7.
7. So I'm going to color 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. I'm going to color the rest in green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just solved my problem using a graph sheet. Okay, so we're going to use our words because we're using words for a learning target. Tatum, how many did Marta peel? How many did? 7. And how many did Mom peel? Quinn, how many did Mom peel? 8. Good job. And there were 15 all together. Okay, friends, you guys have linking cubes at your desk.
That you guys are going to work with a partner. So flip over to the next page. Flip over and ready, go.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to have you guys put a bubble in your mouth by the time I say chocolate and ice cream. Chocolate and ice cream.
Okay, so you guys are going to work with a partner on the next 2 problems. You have the option of using linking cubes. Harper, okay? So you can work with your partner to solve number 6 and 7. Which numbers are you guys solving? Who can tell me? Which numbers are we solving at Tia? 6 and 7 together. So for example, let's say I know that there were 10 kids on the playground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 4 were at the tether ball, because I know there was 4 kids playing out today. And the rest were playing basketball. How many were playing basketball? 4 were playing tetherball. The rest were playing basketball. Harper. 6. That's right. Your linking cubes can help you figure out by taking apart the 2 numbers. Awesome. So I'm going to give you guys a goal. Let's see if you guys can come up with a goal. How long do you think you need to solve the next 2 problems? Give me a number. How many minutes do you think it will take you to solve the next 2 problems? James? No, I want to know, do you guys think that we could have a race to see if we can get done? We can beat the clock? Can we do beat the clock? I think we should do a beat the clock. Alistair? All right. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. Alistair, how long do you think we need to get 6 and 7 done?
17 hours.
No. 3 minutes. All right. That's our goal. I'm going to get you guys started. We're going to use a timer. And 1 second.
We're going to say 10,000 easy now. So what are you doing? Oh.
Okay, we're going to put a timer on the screen up here. I'm going to say on your mark, get set, go, and you got a head start. Do number 6 and 7 with your partner. Remember, you guys are helping each other.
Did you say 3 minutes, Mrs. Thompson?
3 minutes.
Oh, you better get going. It's on.
All right, there you go. 3 minutes. Oh, I love Maya is helping. Alessandro and Alessandro's listening. Good job. I like the models that are being drawn. You guys can
So he buys 12 pairs. 7 the rest are orange. How many taking orange pairs does not have? So we have to do the equation.
I love the conversation.
I'm gonna do numbers. Yeah, let's do numbers. Yeah. So backwards are like subtraction or addition.
I hear number lines. I hear counting on.
Do counting back together. What should we do counting that?
So what can we do? We're doing numbers. We're on this page. We're doing numbers 6 and 7.
Oh my gosh!
It says we jump to the store.
Eight, nine.
Fiona, do you guys want to do? Okay, you guys can work together. Do you know what to do? But you guys can combine yours together to make 12. You guys can work together.
No, it's 12.
Number do we have to do? Math. 13. We do all of them? We have 2 seconds. Okay. So we can do 13, and then that's like, oh my god, okay, yeah, on this one. 4.
Okay. Oh, that's wonderful.
I did it. We don't get this one.
Okay, we'll talk about it. What do they think?
How many
Uh-huh.
can he give to his brother?
I finished. Me too.
How many to his cousin?
Dun, 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 dun.
13.
Okay, boys and girls, I loved what I heard. It's okay if you didn't finish. We're going to look up at the...
Okay.
Yeah, because we didn't do
All right, I'm gonna wait until it's quiet. Let's see if we can have it quiet in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, number 1 had to do with carrots. Ming goes to the store and buys 12 carrots and 7 are purple. How can we use linking cubes to find that out? Let's get your linking cubes together. James, how do we use linking cubes to find that out? Your voices should be off. How to use linking cubes? Camille, how can we use linking cubes to find that out? Oh, you took 12 and then you took 7 off. Let's see if I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to do what Camille did and take off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? Alessandra, how many are left? 5. Does anybody agree? Put up how many fingers you think are left. Let's see who agrees. I see 5s. 5, good job. 5 are left. 5 carrots are left. And this says 5 carrots are orange. Now let's look at number 7. Who can read number 7 loudly? Maya.
Tan has 13 books to give away. How many can he give his brother and how many to his cousin? Show your work.
Okay, so this one's going to take a little bit more thought. You're going to need 13 linking cubes. What's one way I can break this? James, what's one way I can break this?
What do you mean?
Okay, so you did this. 13 minus 2. What is 13 minus 2? How many are left? 11. Is there another way we can say that? Is there another way we can break this apart? Natea, how many should I break off of 13 to try another way? Can you give me another number? Give me any number. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Molly, if I break off 7 off of 13, how many are left? 6. So 6 and 7 make 13. Can we write that another way using subtraction? Okay, your linking cube should be down right now. You guys are watching up here. How can we use subtraction and our fact families to write a subtraction equation? 6 plus 7 is 13. How can we turn that into a subtraction problem using fact families? Can I do 13 minus 6 to find out? Yes, Penelope, thank you. 13 minus 6, what's another way? 13 minus 7 would help me find 6. All right, boys and girls, you guys are going to do number 8 on your own. What number are you going to do on your own? Number 8. So you have your linking cubes. Now listen, some of you, we're going to do number 8 and then we're going to move on. We've been learning how to use pictures and words to find the missing number. So I'm going to ask you guys, when you do the next few pages on your own, how do you feel about this math? If you love this math, let's put our fist on our chest. Everyone put down your linking cubes. Put your fist on your chest like this. Thank you, Alistair. Good job. That is a dojo point. Good job. I want to see your fist on your chest. Emilio, Molly.
Put down 17.
You guys are going to tell me. Nobody's looking around. A thumbs up means
9.
I can do this myself. No thumbs means I might need some help. And a down thumb means I'm going to need a lot of help.
Tell me just 17.
Show me right now how you feel about the math on your chest. Show me on your chest. Show me on your chest how you feel. I have some, so, okay. If you are a no thumb, like you might need some help, I'm going to have you work with Miss Lofstead or Miss Garrity. If you need a lot of help, if you are a thumbs down, you're going to work with me on the back table. If you are a thumbs up, I'm going to give you this option. You're working at your seat and you're going to finish the green pages. And then you can pick a math game to sit in the front, or you can go and work on your I ready when you're finished.
This is Tom saying, can I play a game and then do my computer? Could I do a game and computer?
Take away 9.
You could do a game and computer if you're working hard and you get it together, okay? That's a choice. You have a choice if you get your math done.
Let's try to wrap it up.
If you were a thumbs down, I'm gonna help you get your work done over here.
Over here.
If you were like you need some help, I'm gonna have you work with Miss Lofstead. If you've got it, you're like, this is, I love math, this is what I do. You work by yourself at your desk, you get it done, and then you're gonna move on to choice. Okay? All right. Ready, set, begin. If you need help, you go to Miss Lofstead. It's okay, move on to this page. Start with number 8.
I'm also available for friends that might need a little bit of help right here in the front. If you feel like you are needing a lot of help, you're going to take your math book and go join Mrs. Thompson over here. Good job. If you feel